Welcome back to Time and the Wrist at Chisholm Hunter, the show where we drink far too much coffee and talk luxury watches. Today, we're talking Tudor. With the world finally on the mend and travel beginning to make a return at long last, we have the perfect timepiece to talk to you about. Designed for world travelers, the 100% Swiss-made Black Bay GMT is a purpose-built timepiece with the ability to track multiple time zones, allowing you to read the local time and the time of 2 other time zones. Let's get right into the details. The 41mm steel case with chamfered edges to lower the sides of the watch case add to the aesthetic. The watch features a distinctive matte burgundy and blue aluminium bezel that is bi-directional and rotatable with 48 notches. This is used to keep track or change to a different time zone. One thing that I have to say that I love about this Black Bay in particular has to be that bezel. It's not too flashy, but at the same time, it still draws the eye. So whether you're traveling for business or something a little more casual, maybe going on holiday, this timepiece really is the perfect all-rounder. And to be honest, I've not been on holiday in 2 years, so if I missed my flight, I'd be very, very upset. This GMT is better than COSC certified. In fact, it's 40% better with a non-magnetic silicone hairspring to withstand daily interferences. And whether you're by the pool or the sea, you can rest assured that this timepiece is waterproof to up to 200 meters. This model also comes equipped with domed sapphire crystal glass, so you don't need to worry about general nicks and dints you might pick up through everyday wear. And I need a refill. The white hour markers on this iconic GMT model play wonderfully against that black dial. There's a really, really nice contrast there. And also it keeps in line with the iconic Tudor divers watches from the 1950s. The characteristic snowflake hands that have appeared in the brand's 1969 catalogue have also been adopted by this model. If you would like to take a closer look at this GMT model in particular, or any in the Black Bay range, you can do this on our website at chisholmhunter.co.uk. That's chisholmhunter.co.uk. Remember that we are authorised retailers for Tudor watches, so any questions you have, drop them in the comments. Now we come to the watch lover's favourite bit about this GMT model, the manufacturer caliber MT5652. An incredible movement, and let me show you why. The self-winding mechanical movement designed specifically for the Black Bay GMT features a bi-directional rotor system with a built-in architecture. This movement allows a power reserve of a whopping 70 hours. It comes with a steel screw-down winding crown with a Tudor rose relief and a circular satin brushed steel winding crown tube. The 10-year service interval and 5-year transferable manufacturer guarantee is sure to keep your mind at ease, and is also a true testament to Tudor's quality and attention to detail. I truly feel that the Tudor GMT is something special, and a great addition to the Black Bay collection. I need to say something for a second. I am truly blown away by the insane amount of support that we've got over the last couple of months. And I just wanted to say a huge thank you from all of us here at Chisholm Hunter. It truly means the world, the support, so thank you. If you guys want to see any models in particular, we'd be more than happy to review them for you or get them on Time and the Wrist. So let us know in the comments.